thirds would give you a total of 6, so obviously 2 seconds, better than 2/3. If there is a tie, we do it moto style, like motocross. It'll come down to the most recent race ranking as the tiebreaker finishing position. A race to 5, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4 pilots all plugged into our ground stations. Timmy Tron, it was worth the work. All right, guys, I'm going to repeat it one more time so that you understand. If Moto, FPV, or Bulldozer win this race, we race them again. If BMS Thomas wins this race, he's your champion. If Min Cheng Kim wins this race, he is your champion. I know you guys are excited to see this. Who wants to go green right now? Make a little noise. I got a couple woohoos.
如果这一轮Thomas 赢的话 ，Thomas 就是冠军；如果 MCK 赢的话，就是 MCK 冠军。
It is set up. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Off to the races we go. Min Cheng Kim with the hold shot just ahead of BMS Thomas. And both of them loosey-goosey. Moto FPV is now the guy to watch at the tower. He's the guy with the blue LEDs that may force this game another round. Moto, Bulldozer, 1 and 2. Min Cheng Kim now trying to catch up. 2.2 seconds back with 4 laps to go. And BMS Thomas back in this as well. Coming from the back of the pack. I watched him do that at a huge race in America. Moto FPV now with an 11-8. Then Bulldozer. Then Min Cheng Kim is closer. 1.8 seconds. He only found 0.4 of a second. And we just lost BMS Thomas. And I just heard another midair. Min Cheng Kim sliding up in the number 2 spot and holding it strong. And Moto holding the field as we keep rolling on. Pushing strong. Moto FPV leading here onto lap number 4. Min Cheng Kim 0.4 of a second behind him. And Min Cheng Kim with a mistake. Now we just slid up with Bulldozer in the number 2 spot. It's Moto, Bulldozer, then Min Cheng Kim. Now Moto with the mistake. Now Moto pushing around. And Moto with the win of race number 3. Are you kidding me?
Yeah!